Now we're going to separate our layers and assemble our cake. We'll slide a spatula knife and your hand right under the cake layer and just transfer that over. Okay. Now you can see that this is a very rich and gooey cake. Now if your cake has sunk in like mine did, you can take some of these ends and just fill the middle in a bit, and nobody will notice. When you cut that cake, nobody will notice because it's such a rich cake. Okay, next we're going to put our raspberry jam on there that has a little bit of brandy or a little bit of liqueur on it, and just pour that all over the layer, and you can spread that around nicely. Okay, and next we're going to put a layer of ganache. We have our ganache now, and we're going to put a couple of spoonfuls and just layer that. Okay, and we'll reserve the rest to put over the top. And just spread that out to the edge. This is a very, very rich cake. Okay, and now we'll take our top and we're going to flip it over to the bottom. I want to match my toothpick to toothpick here, and we'll do that. And then take the springform pan bottom out, and then just carefully peel back the foil. Okay, at this point, let's just take a napkin and wipe any crumbs that we have off of the plate. And we can remove our toothpicks like that. Next, we'll be covering our cake with the remaining ganache.